The voyage continues! In a place like this, I can't help but to be introspective, dig deep, and really get to know myself. I want to open up about something. I'm an addict, addicted to buying cryptocurrency. Whenever I have US dollars in my bank account, I can't help but to turn them into crypto. Sometimes my addiction gets a little out of hand. An unexpected expense pops up, or I'm just out here living my life, and I don't have the fiat money that I need to buy things. Unless you're in El Salvador, it can be tricky to actually use the assets that you own. The good news is that Bitrefill is here to help us addicts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually live on crypto and buy the things that you want or need without going through the official process of selling your coins. Welcome to Bitrefill.
Here we go. I'm going to show you how to use Bitcoin to buy this hot sauce from Amazon.com. The first thing you need to do is set up an account with Bitrefill. This is incredibly easy to do. There is no lengthy or formal KYC process. The only information you need to provide is an email address. When signing up, make sure you enter in the referral code that is listed down below in the notes section so that we can each earn a $5 bonus after you sign up and deposit $50. Now that you've registered with Bitrefill, it's time to load up your account. On the top right-hand corner of this page, click this drop-down box. Click anywhere inside of this highlighted area. Go to Add Funds, and boom, there is the address where you're going to send your Bitcoin. All right, now we get to go shopping. Apple, Amazon, eBay, Uber, Delta, Nordstrom, Lululemon, REI, Starbucks, Kroger, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, Chipotle, Nintendo, Domino's, Williams-Sonoma, AT&T, Marshalls, Verizon Wireless, Overstock.com. Although you can buy with Bitcoin, so I'm not sure why you'd be buying a gift card, but they have it. TJ Maxx, Dunkin' Donuts. Ooh, this could be dangerous. Wine.com. There are so many options. Let's check out the Amazon option because that's where all good things come from, and we'll buy a $50 gift card together. One thing I want you to keep in mind is that some of these gift cards are country specific. So just make sure that you are buying a gift card that you will be able to use. We will click that blue button, click the blue button again, reveal the code, and voila. We now have $50 to spend on Amazon. Find the item that you're going to purchase, add it to your cart, enter in the code from Bitrefill into this box, place your order, and boom! Enjoy your crypto-funded purchase. It's a very similar process to buy any of the gift cards that Bitrefill offers. And have no fear, I'm not the only one who's had success with Bitrefill. Out of 216 reviews on Trustpilot, they have an excellent rating.
Remember, Bitrefill is not a cure for your addiction. It's not going to stop you from buying cryptocurrency. But then again, why would you want to? All right, everyone, I'll see you next week.